Let's take a peek inside Brand Basecamp so you can see exactly what you get when you sign up. You can see the main classroom here. This is the hub where all of your videos and trainings, templates, all of those things live. We're going to go into the strategy module, phase 1 strategy, and I'm just going to show you around a little bit. You can pop in here and see some of the things that you get. So here is some details about writing. There's a video training. There's also the website writer workbook. This is a detailed document that will help you write the words for your website. It's broken down into canvases, which is how our Showit website is broken down. It's made so that you can click from section to section. You can jump around. It's got drop downs to show you some different options of things to put in different places. And while it gives you a lot of structure, there's also a lot of flexibility with this template as well. Back in our classroom, you can see there are lessons on the visuals, how to choose your fonts, your colors. There's a brand kit template for you to put all of that into. There's information about how to use AI as well throughout the course. There's different ways that you can use AI to help at all different stages of the process. And I'm including that in this course as well. In our site design module, you'll learn the basics of Showit as well as some more advanced techniques. The training and tutorial vault grows as we grow. If you have questions about certain things, how to do something in particular, I create that training and add it to the course if it's not already there. I also teach you how to blog with Showit. Those templates can be a little bit more confusing, and so there are some advanced practices in how to blog using Showit as well. In phase 3 of the course, we're learning how to show up. We're learning the basics of Google, what makes a site rank on Google and show up in search results. I'm showing you the basics of how to set everything up in your Showit account, plus the blog side of your account as well. I'm sharing some tips for launching so that you can build buzz around your website and make it a big deal so that we get lots of traffic to our site when we launch. And then finally, I've added a bonus here called blogging to keep the momentum. This is a lesson all on how to blog to keep growing your website and your business. Brand Basecamp isn't just a curriculum though. I'm not giving you this set of videos and templates and saying good luck. This is a live coaching program. You get 9 weeks of support with twice weekly coaching calls where we can meet and talk about how things are going, give you some accountability, give you feedback on anything you've created so far, help you with any problems you're running into, and make sure that you feel supported throughout the process. You also get office hours twice a week. This is a time where we message back and forth over Slack. This is perfect for things like copywriting feedback or quick questions, needing an opinion, anything like that. Again, it helps you stay accountable so that you get your project done. So your website is launched and you have that brand base out in the world bringing you clients. I'd love to see you on the inside and work with you to build your brand base.